Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project measurement of low DC voltages using laptop, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Here, the working of the circuit is seen. Low DC voltages are seen on the laptop using this circuit. The key components we use here are an Arduino Uno board and a few wires. This can also be used as a multimeter. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.